is Emma once again, and Cody, and Taka. And we are making some amazing soap making kit. And it is by Fashion Angels. And now we are going to show you all the ingredients we have. We have got some stencils, some soap, and 1 bar of soap, and we got some knives to cut these. We have to cut them in 6 pieces, and we have got some coloring, and we have got
blue, turquoise, and purple.
And we have also got some glitter. And now we're just going to flip right into making our soap. Okay, alright, now we just need to cut them, and then we are going to put some in the bowl. Alright, so Emma's going to take a knife and cut one, and I am going to take a knife and cut one. So you want to cut them in 6 pieces, so you get a few.
Just do right.
So we have got 4 in 1 and 3 in 1, and Emma's got
5 in 1, and randomly
just 1 in 1. Now we have got to microwave them so they all melt.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, magic hand.
Alright, we have just got it out of the microwave, and I can't believe that it worked from our magic hands. Isn't that amazing, guys? Okay, now we have just stirred it a little bit. Right now. So we have got to put in right here to make this soap cube. And then we have got to put in our colors. And we are going to see what colors we want to use. So yeah, let's get right into it. We have just got it opened. Now we need to put them in.
And we need to hurry, so that's why she's talking so fast.
Oh my god, this just fell off.
Is that turquoise?
Yes.
It seems blue.
Alright. That is stuck in. That is very hot. So make it's fine. I don't really care if it's blue.
Oh, this is turquoise. This is blue. And they make the purple color. Glitter is my favorite thing with work.
Alright, we are just going to put some into our molds. Or stencils, whatever you want to call them. Okay, now we're just putting a little bit more so it is just on the top. And there we go, we have got. What about the spoon?
Just
Grab the bowl and pull it. Oh my god, that is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, 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 hot.
stir. I might need more. Stir.
Let me help you.
More.
Okay, put it in. Quick. Just, yeah, that's good. Good.
Add some flavoring. 2 drops.
Add some flavoring.
1, 2.
That was more like a squeeze, but it is. Okay, let's go. Let's dump some in. Parker wants some sparkles.
Make the molds.
Wait, Parker wants some sparkles. Just wait.
Oh, right.
Sparkles. There. And stop for a minute. Stir. Do you want help? No, I can do it.
Okay, let's add some in.
Do you want help? No.
Let's make some molds.
I'm gonna put some glitter in yours.
No, you're good.
Thank you.
Parker, put it in your molds now.
Parker? Which one? Which mold? You want that one? Do you want some help? Would you like some help, Parker? No. Alright. Now we need some add to food coloring. So it looks like her color is blue and turquoise. And now she's putting in some flavoring.
I need the molds. Is Emma doing all of those?
She's doing.
Emma, you're doing all of those.
Nope. I think she's doing shell.
What is that?
Seahorse. Seahorse. Whoops.
Seahorse.
Oh, just do that.
Hey guys,
It was really hot, so
It
Mom
burnt my
feed us
fingers
again. And now we have just put it in our bowl. It is super hot, so we are just letting it dry.
my fingers are actually really red.
And then once our lip stencils dry,
The blue was me, so
Uh,
I'm horrible at pouring.
going to put them all on after they are good. So we are going to take it out after it's dry, and we are going to take these out, and then we are going to put them on. So it's going to be perfect. So we'll tune in a few minutes when it's dry, okay? Thank you. See ya. Okay, we have got our soap all finished. It is been in the freezer for about 2 minutes, and we have just let it cool down a bit. So now we are gonna put all of our stuff on it, and we are gonna cut it into, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So we are gonna cut along these lines.
Cody gets to take 3 cuts and I get to take 3 cuts.
Alright, let's keep going. And we are going to try magic hands because it's getting kind of hard. So let's do magic hands. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. These are our insides. It is so beautiful. Our top and our bottom. It is kind of like see-through down here and really, really light one. So, and we have also got our beautiful purple in the middle. And guys, thank you for watching. They smell so good, and yeah, they look so beautiful.
They smell like strawberries.
Yeah, strawberries. And we
But
have
it's
also-
not edible, so don't eat it.
And we have also got our creations. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you guys.
Bye. See you
Thanks
next
for
video.
watching.